Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I came with a new video, types of sentences, clear explanation. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarani Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Types of sentences. Dharanidhar is a popular poet. I have represented here 4 sentences. Dharanidhar is a popular poet. Do you know him? How beautiful his poems are. Let's meet him today. First sentence is a statement. Second one is one question. Third one, how beautiful his poems are. Exclamation. Fourth sentence, let's meet him today. Suggestion. Okay. First sentence states something, so statement. Second sentence, ask question, question sentence. How beautiful his poems are. Exclamation sentence. Then exclamatory sentence, it shows exclamation. Let's meet him today, one suggestion. So it is one imperative sentence. In every sentence there is one subject and a verb. In second sentence, subjective, 2 verbs. This is first verb, second verb no. How beautiful his poems are. Subject, his poems are verb. Let's meet him today. Let, verb, subject you. Okay. In imperative sentence, common subject you. We don't write or we don't say the subject. Okay. You, let's meet him today. We say let's meet him today. Verb let. And always the first verb agrees with the subject, not the second verb. So the first verb is finite verb. Dharanidhar is a popular poet. Is finite verb in this sentence. Do you know him? 2 verbs. But do is the first verb. Agrees with subject. It is finite. No is not finite verb. Do is finite verb. How beautiful his poems are. His poems, subject, are verb. Finite verb. You, subject, let, finite verb. Okay. So the first verb, they may be in a group of verbs, there may be 3 verbs, 4 verbs, 2 verbs, but the first verb is a finite verb and always subject agrees with the verb, right? So a sentence consisting of one subject and one finite verb is called a simple sentence. What you get from this? All sentences are simple sentences because there is one subject, another finite verb. So the all sentences are simple sentences. What you get? Simple sentence. So simple sentence divided into 4 kinds. One is statement, another is question sentence, third one exclamatory sentence, fourth one suggestion, imperative sentence. That means a simple sentence divided into 4 kinds. One is the statement is declarative sentence, right? Declarative sentence. Then question 1 is interrogative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Right? Then fourth one, suggestion, one imperative sentence. Let's learn all sentences one by one. Declarative sentence. The sun rises in the east. It may rain today. I get up early in the morning. First sentence, the sun rises in the east. It states a fact. The sun sets in the west. I have two pens. They are poets. These are toys. These are facts. So the statement, the sentence which states a fact is one declarative sentence. It may rain today. It states an opinion. It is also one declarative sentence. I get up early in the morning. It is one fact. So it is a declarative sentence. Here I have represented some sentences about my pet dog. I have a pet dog. Its name is Tipo. It has a long body and bushy tail. Its tongue is red. It takes meat and milk. Tipo is very faithful. All sentences are facts and statements. So they are declarative sentences. In such way, we can find out declarative sentence. Let's see in interrogative sentence. Does she sing well? Is she not serious at work? Where does Mr. Mohanty live? Why was Meera absent for such a long time? All sentences are question sentences. Starts with WH word or auxiliary verb. Maybe auxiliary verb or WH word. The sentences start. If those ask question, these are interrogative sentences. Okay, then imperative sentence. Drive slowly. What a minute. Go there at once. Let's go on a picnic. Give a push please. Do well. These sentences express order, advice, suggestion, request, etc. are imperative sentences. First sentence, drive slowly. Drive slowly means what? It shows one advice. It expresses advice. What a minute. May it expresses order, okay, or suggestion. Go there at once. It shows order. Let's go on a picnic. It shows suggestion, expresses suggestion. Give a push please. Request. Do well. Advice. So, common subject of imperative sentences, you. You don't write the subject. Why? Because it is common subject. You drive slowly. You don't write you. You wait a minute. We don't write you. You go there at once. You let's go on a picnic. You give a push please. You do well. As common subject you, we don't write subject. Let's learn more about imperatives. Here some imperative expressions. We have to fill up the gaps using those expressions. Let's have a walk. Be quick. Do come. Help him. Follow me. 5 expressions. 5 imperative expressions. We have to fill up the gaps. Does. It's going to be late. As it is late, it's going to be late. Does. That means be quick. Be quick. It's going to be late. So, it will be what? Be quick. Where you are afraid, you can succeed. Where you are afraid, you can succeed. Okay? Let's have a walk. Do come. Help him. Follow me. Which will be? So, this is answer. Follow me. We have been sitting here all the morning. Sitting. Let's have a walk. Do come. Help him. Walk. Sitting. Okay? Walk. Let's have a walk. The boy is crying. Do come. Help him. Help him. Last one. Do come. See you tomorrow. Do come. Let's learn exclamatory sentence. Last one. What a beautiful flower it is. The sentence expresses surprise. How nicely she sings. Maybe excitement, maybe surprise. What a splendid sight. Hooray, we won the match. It shows happiness, expresses happiness. In this word, the expression comes. So here we put exclamation. Hooray, we won the match. In this word, happiness, it expresses happiness. How heartbreaking the news is. Maybe it is expression of pain. Okay. What a magic accident. What on earth. What a magic accident. The sentence is not one complete sentence. What a magic accident means what a magic accident it is. What on earth. What on earth. What on earth is going on in there. What on earth did this happen? Okay. Alas, the man is dead. This word. The word is the man is dead. It is the news of regret. Regret. Okay. So it shows what? In such word we express our feeling. So when we use this word we put exclamation symbol. Let's do an activity to get more about exclamatory sentence. He is a naughty boy. Convert the sentence into exclamatory using what and how. When you use what, total noun phrase will come. Oh, naughty boy. What a naughty boy. He is. Exclamation. When you use how, adjective will come. How nutty. How nutty. He is who? He is who? Boy. So, how nutty the boy is. Exclamation. Right? It looks so beautiful. How beautiful. How? Then adjective. How beautiful it looks. Shaina is an excellent player. What? What an excellent player? Total noun phrase will come. What an excellent player. Shaina is. Rahim's poems are so important. How important? Rahim's poems are. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.